Hello and welcome to my video. Today my guest will be a Patek Philippe pocket watch in 18 carats solid gold. Like all watches in my previous videos, this one is also in very good condition. Patek Philippe is the company that makes most expensive watches in the world. The company current annual production is somewhere around 55,000 to 60,000 watches and makes 1.5 billion Swiss francs. This watch is made in year 1912. It has a white dial with the black Roman numerals, one subsidiary dial with Arabic numerals. This pocket watch is in ultimate condition. You can see that. Every collector will love to own it. The watch doesn't work at the moment, so let's first set the hands. The time now is 12:45. I'm gonna pull the crown, set them 12:45 is gonna be here, and push back the crown. I'm gonna wind the watch just a few times to see if it works. Three times will be enough. As you can see, the watch start working straight away. Let's see what we got inside of this watch. We got some inscriptions here from the left to the right. The first on the left is a Patek logo. The next is PPC, means Patek Philippe and Co. The next one is Helvetia head, show us the purity of gold, 18 carats. We got here 0.750, same thing, and a serial number of the case, which is 272522, and one more time logo of Patek. On a dust cover we got Patek Philippe and a serial number of the movement this time. The serial number of the movement is 167779. And let's get to the movement. And this is the movement of the watch. An impressive and incredible movement of Patek with serial number 167779. I don't want to speak much here, just will leave you to enjoy this beautiful movement. balance of the movement running very strong with 18,000 beats per hour in absolutely perfect condition. This movement has a power reserve of 32 hours, which can be extended to 38 hours if we remove the spring limiter. Amazing movement and amazing watch. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you one more time and see you next time. Bye bye.